tire ringing at 27 pounds there. That back trailer tire.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
He actually meant 79 pounds, but when it hit 78, this is what happened. We were traveling from 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀, Florida to Thousand Trails, Orlando, and we'd only been on the road for about 10 minutes, and Dave noticed the air pressure on the right rear tire on the RV getting low, and then shortly after that, the monitor started beeping at us, and there was no place to pull over on the shoulder. But it found that there was a gas station about 8 miles ahead, and we traveled to it, and of course the roads were all under construction up there.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I think you gotta go down. You'll have to. Hopefully you can loop around. I don't know. Or go over to the BP maybe.
Now they got the road all up right there.
I don't know. That's up over there too.
Yeah, I can't go. Have to go down the road and see what's down the road. What's that way?
No, there is
What's that way?
nothing. It looks like there might be an entrance beyond those orange cones, but
Yeah, how do I get back out? Well, I could try it. What do you think?
yeah.
Why not? That truck's in there.
Take the next right onto US Highway number 27 north.
I don't know how you get back out.
Continue on Florida.
Same way, I guess. I don't know. Find out here in a minute.
Taking air here. Most of them have air.
Well, you can't go anywhere until he moves. Well, let me get my walkie-talkie out. I wonder if you could pull up and then back down.
Who'd I be blocking if I did that? This guy right here, probably. This guy's pulling out.
So you want to go
I'm
up?
gonna pull up and then I'll
Then
back
back
down
in?
where he's at. Well, it goes to show the TPMS works. Right there, I got a leak in a tire. And the alarms are off, running off on me, so time to go change the tire. Can you hear me? This thing's going nuts.
Then the walkie-talkies died.
There he goes.
Take the next right onto US Highway No. 27 south, then make a U-turn at Florida 70 west.
So we're at a Circle K that has diesel for trucks, and we pulled up over here on the side. And I'm not sure how we're getting out of here because they've got all kinds of construction going on out here. This is no left-hand turn, and that's the way we want to go. Sure enough, there's a screw in the tire. There you go.
Can't plug that either. It's right on the edge.
Yep, so I gotta put all the legs down. Start with the front. Okay, now the back. Let me go down one at a time. I want the right side to go up. Excessive angle.
As long as those wheels are off the ground, they're off.
Okay, good. It's coming out. Wonder what the pressure is on that one.
That's what I'm gonna find out.
Somebody decided to leave their defective tire behind.
Looks that way. Probably ain't no fucking how much you want to bet? Got quarters.
Okay. Always want quarters.
Only goes to 7.
So you don't think it'll put any in then?
It'll let air out.
Oh, 70, that's it?
That's it.
At a truck area.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now I gotta go break out the pump.
Where are you going to get 12 volt at?
The batteries.
I've got an umbrella, so I'm going to try to keep him shaded since he's going to have to change this in the sun. What a pain. All right.
You all know how this part goes. And you know this part too.
You already torqued the crap out of them
Yeah.
with the impact?
Yep.
Now you got to get that back up in there. Brought all the legs up and we are ready to go.
Now to get out of here.
There's a white truck and then there's space behind him. There's the white truck. Trying to figure out where you get into this joint.
Continue for 19 miles. Continue on US Highway number 27 south, 15 miles. Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah.
We finally made it through the maze and started heading north. But there's more to come.
So how many beers for changing that tire?
Well, that job's still incomplete because I got to pull the spare off and put a new tire back on.
Well, you got to find one first.
Well, yeah. But first, I had to do it out in the open. It was hot, sunshine. It was just unbearable. So, right now I'm looking at 2.5 cases just for that.
Oh, good God.
And then I just got to go at least another case and a half to put it back on.
Well, we'll see what that
And then I got to go
titles.
get one yet.
Could you have just plugged the tire?
No. No, because the screws went in the tire right on the edge of the tire. Or the edge of the tread. And they say just down the center of the tire. If there's a hole there, you can patch it or plug it. But if it's off to the side, either way, it's a no-go.
Well, especially with an RV tire.
Yeah, with all the twisting and turning it does.
Yeah.
So, my luck, screw right out on the edge, stuck in the tire.
So a new tire when we were down in the Keys, now a new tire while we're in Orlando.
Yeah. Well, I figured 2 tires a state.
Good
The
grief.
way it's working out. Budget it. 2 tires a state.
Where'd you get your tire at?
Walmart.
Walmart. So this is a Continental HTL2 J-rated 215/75R 17.5. This is a 20-ply tire. How many tire places did you call?
3.
And no luck
Couldn't get a Continental.
for crying out
That
loud.
size.
So did they have this in stock at Walmart?
Now, had to order it online.
Okay. That only took a few days, right?
It would take about 5-6 days.
And they rimmed it for you?
Yep.
So it got delivered to the store. You went to the store, and then they
Brought
rimmed
the
it.
old tire back with the rim. They
Yeah.
changed it out on the rim.
And for them to do the rim change on this, what was it, 27 bucks?
Something like that.
That's,
Plus a $2 disposal fee now
oh, for the old tire.
for the old
Oh.
tire.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Now, if I could get them to put it on, it'd be all right.
Yeah, well, the other guy did do that for you down in
He
the
did.
Keys.
He did.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring in the
Bring the
slide in and get it lifted up. So, door side in.
What I want to do is I'm going to... The brakes have been let loose, haven't they? We let them loose.
You think that caliper's sticking?
Well, look.
Ooh,
I came prepared.
you did?
Yeah.
What you got?
I brought tools.
Does that mean that those are
They
rubbing?
drag. I'll put some anti-seize in it. These calipers have a tendency to seize up. You see, they're not fully retracted. And we still got some meat on them. So, you see these pins,
Yeah.
they're supposed to slide real easy. And they're not. And if I go this way, aha. But now, take this out. There we go.
All right.
See, look, that stuff builds up on there.
What is that?
Just goo.
Oh,
Makes it real hard for this thing to slide. This gets locked into place and this caliper here slides back and forth on that. You can see the groove, how much shoe we burned, how much of the shoe right there, that little lip right here.
oh yeah. It's like about half gone.
But we're still good because that groove is still there. And it's not far from being spent.
Well, this is probably the summer you'll have to put all new ones on
Yeah,
before you take
probably.
off again.
Now comes, guess what?
What?
Brake cleaner.
Yay!
Yeah. Come on. Uh-oh.
Gotta love brake cleaner.
We're out of it.
Oh,
I
no.
can.
It's like being out of beer.
No, that ain't. There's no substitute for beer.
Or brake cleaner.
Well, alright, I got another can here.
Oh, I knew you would.
Whoop, on the rag, Dave, on the rag. And he sees.
Well, you're like Vanna White.
Fan away here, wait.
Nice.
Nice, huh?
Oh, you gotta go to an auto store.
We went to O'Reilly's. $7. Could save you a lot of heartache.
How much was the tire? That was like
$601 altogether.
so. What with the rim job thingy?
I'm gonna put some of this fine goo on there.
What's it supposed to do?
It's a lubricant, and doesn't dry up.
Oh.
And actually, it's made for nuts and bolts that you don't want to seize up. I'll put this in here like that. Now look at it. Now she's riding around a little bit. Oh yeah, she goes through there like a hot knife through butter.
What happens if these do seize up?
Your calipers will start to drag, or they won't release when they're supposed to.
So then you start burning up your brakes, or what?
Heating up brakes for no reason at all. Take just a smidge of that and put it on this edge right here. Right there.
Oh, the anti-seize?
Yep. And right here. Lets that caliper ride. There we go. Now my bolt. I want to take a little bit of this anti-seize also. Just smear it on the shaft part. Just for S&Gs. Help keep that bolt clean. Don't want to get it on the threads. They always drag a little. Alright, here comes the fun part.
Well, you want to take all those stickers off of there?
They'll roll. They'll wear off.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on, what?
No.
Yeah, I think that's... Alright. There, that way you got a record on it.
Well, you know how the rest of this goes.
Well, you're using the
Trying to.
chalk to help get it on there.
Yeah.
You're going to have to torque it.
That will hits the ground.
What?
Blip, blip,
Could-
blip, blip.
Could you... Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.